I have a John Deere Z Trac 737 that cuts off while I mow and backfires. The only thing I can think of is that I switched from 87 to 93 octane last summer. I have since gone back. Fuel's pump has been replaced, but the problem persists. I am thinking it may be the backfire soleniod, but I am not sure. The John Deere dealer is very far away, so I need some instructions on how to fix myself.
Hi, thanks for asking for me. If you are using fresh gasoline, then 93 octane will actually be much better for your engine than the 87 octane. It will not cause your problem. What usually is the problem is that there was some fuel left in the unit over the winter and it has gone bad. When this happens, the fuel system gets plugged up with gum and varnish and will not allow enough fuel to pass through it. If your engine has a carburetor, then the carburetor must be taken apart and cleaned and rebuilt with a complete carburetor repair kit. If your engine has injectors, then the injectors may need to be cleaned. In any case, the problem is most likely in the fuel system.
My gas is fresh. This has been going on since last summer. Here is a link to a video showing what is going on. Now when it cuts off, it backfires. Completely new fuel pump. When this video was taken: www.youtube.com/watch. V equals cam 1 telg.
After looking at the video, this still sounds like the unit is not getting enough gas. The motor is running lean. You also could have a safety switch that is cutting out. Very hard to diagnose.
How would I adjust a lean running engine? I'll find the spot if you can tell me what to look for. As far as the safety switch, do you know the typical locations? Maybe there is one near the parking brake and the vibration is causing the switch to activate. I will keep checking off one issue at a time until we figure out an answer.
Does your engine have a carburetor, or does it have fuel injection? If it has a carburetor, then the carb may have to be taken off and cleaned and rebuilt. If it has fuel injectors, then you may have to clean the injectors. There are safety switches under the seat and around the parking brake. There is also one built into the mower engagement switch.
I have narrowed the issue down to an electrical problem with the motion control levers. Every time I bring the levers together, the mower shuts off. It is not the parking brake, nor is it the seat safety switch. I checked the 20 amp fuse between in the middle of the two and it is okay. The contacts for both arms were extremely dirty, so I cleaned them with electrical cleaning spray. The mower still has the issue of shutting down when the arms are brought together. The only thing I can think of is there must be a bad safety switch on one or both of the levers. Do you know where the safety switch resides?
I do not know exactly where they are, but they usually are under the frame. Usually, though, when you move the levers and it shuts off, it indicates that those switches are working. They are making and braking as they should. This usually indicates that the brake switch or the PTO switch is not working correctly.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.